What's up, y'all? Good morning. Just want to talk to you about a customer that I got. I got 75 properties. I know I told you about it before, but I just want to tell you how I got it. This guy, I was doing snow plowing. He gave me like 5 driveways to do. That was it. But he told me he had a bunch of properties, around like 70 properties at the time. But he said he had a landscaper, so he just needed me for snow plowing. So this happened around, I would say November of last year, and he told me he didn't need anybody, but he'll keep me in mind for next season. So literally from November, every week I would text him just to check on him, see how he was doing, to see if the guy's still good for him. This was still winter time, so around when the season came, I upped those texts to every 2 days. I was like, hey, how you doing? If you guys, how's your guy working out? Hope everything's fine, like saying stuff like that, just random stuff. I know he was getting annoyed by it, but I know he kept my name and my company's name in his mind. So sure enough, he called me like, hey, this guy's not showing up, he's not doing the work. Are you able to do it? Can you come in for a meeting? I'm like, bingo, that's what it was. So it was just me texting him literally every 2 days. I would text this man like, hey, good morning, how's your guy working out? Sending them pictures of our work. I was sending them pictures of my team, sending them pictures of the warehouse. I was just bothering him, and sure enough, he came over. So I was just letting you guys know, you gotta stay on these people. If you want anything done, stay on them, no matter how annoying you are.